What is up, YouTube? Don't mind the black spot on your screen right now. My camera's pretty screwed up. Tonight we're doing the Yamaha wrench report for my TRI-Z. It's gonna be on my 86 cylinder. They're both the same. So basically, I gotta open up this exhaust port here. I'm probably gonna do the phase 2, so I'm gonna take it to 2mm. And then you can see you gotta drill this extra boost port out here. So I gotta large them both, 12mm by 24mm. So basically I started cleaning this up just a bit. So I gotta large this 12 by 24. I gotta drill a hole on this side and open up that port to match that side. And then I gotta come in on the exhaust side. I actually gotta cut, I can't really see, gotta cut up in there. So that's what I'm doing here tonight. So let me get the drill in here and I'll come back. Well, I was taking the swing arm bearings out of this 86 TRI-Z swing arm here, and noticed it was a little bit tough coming out. Check out this custom modification. This is your Lowe's green hose mod. Makes your bearings just non-exist. So some dumbass took a green hose and a black hose and figured, I'm going to take my swing arm off my TRI-Z, and instead of buying bearings, I'm going to slide some hose in there and stick the collar back in it. And that's how I found it. I don't know if he's a genius or if he's just cheap. But in all my modifications over the years, I've never seen anybody take a garden hose and use it for a swing arm bushing. I thought it was a hand grip for a moment. You got to appreciate the custom green garden hose. This thing's vintage. I don't know. TRI-Z's on the lift. Finally. Eric's cleaning some bolts up. We're gonna get this swing arm. He just powder coated the swing arm. Did a great job on it. Let's put some new bearings in it. Look at that thing. It's like brand new. He powder coats at work, so he's good at it. Basically trying to get a roller done here tonight. My motor's still dirty on the outside anyway. A little bit on the inside. I'm gonna clean it out real good. But yep, finally. Just getting some parts laid out, figured out what's going on here, and sweet. We'll come back here after I get a little bit more done. I didn't take too much video of the porting, but you can kind of get the gist of it. Pan the cylinder up, pound it out real quick. It's got a little scratch in it, right? It's not real deep. You can see I cleaned up the exhaust side there. I'm just getting ready to throw the piston in right now. Well, it's already on. New Wiseco 68mm. Or no, 69mm. So it's 50 over. New old stock. I got that on eBay pretty cheap. Yeah, I know my motor's dirty on this side. I didn't clean the cover. Or hell, I didn't really clean the outside of the bottom end too much, but yep, I got that new powder coated swing arm on there that Eric did for me, and yeah. Oh yeah, there's Subaru in the background there. I've been stripping it down, as you can tell. Let me go ahead and put the cylinder on here and start putting this thing together. It's been so long. It's been so long. Fast forwarding a couple days here on this project. As you can see, I got the top end and stuff on. Carb on it. I had problems with my camera on my phone. You can see I got junk everywhere. We've stripped 2 cars apart since last time I took the last video clip. So everything's jam-packed in here right now. Yeah, she's in there, which is sweet. I got all these brake parts and stuff. I cleaned them all up somewhat. They were all rusty. I repainted with some black enamel. I don't know what else. Yeah, the top end went on really quick. I ported it out last time, last clip. You guys see I did that wrench report on it. I don't know if you can see inside there or not. Brand new Wiseco. Sweet. Yeah, I'm getting ready to put the rear end on here now, and I don't even know where it's at. I literally have stuff jam-packed in here. I had to move a bunch of stuff around. See my new Cornwall tool cart. Sweet. thing is pretty sweet. I'll come back and do a video on that if you guys are interested in Cornwall stuff. I always buy stuff off the tool truck. But anyway, got the 38 millimeter Mikuni on there with the thumb throttle, which is going to be cool. Got Boys and Reeds on there. Got the spacer. I'll probably get that V-Force V3 reed cage for it down the road. I'm going to run this, see how it works. I'm kind of curious. I took the reed stoppers out, and I think she'll flow pretty good. I built my buddy Eric's TRI-Z motor. That one TRI-Z I used to have sitting over here on the floor. He has it now, and we just redid the motor over here. I didn't get any video because, like I said, my camera, it sucks. You can see a little black spot in it, maybe. Yeah, like if you look on the floor there, this thing works when it wants to. I got a new camera coming tomorrow, so I will continue filming. For some reason, when I use my tripod with my video camera, like my Sony Handycam, it puts all kind of waves in the video. It's retarded. Got the old End and Generator there out of the RV. I'm gonna strip that thing down. I just got 100 things going on. Got wiring harnesses we pulled out of cars here, and it sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that rear end on here now and see how things come along. We'll come back here. Oh man, test fit the Nerf bars. Got a bunch of this thing together. Put the 38 mil carb on there. Stretching the boots out there. I don't got the clamps on it yet. Got the chain on, slider. That's them PRMs. I got the last set they sold. They're out of business now, I think, or I know they no longer make these. Had these for a while. Got the grab bar. Been hanging on my garage door rail for probably a couple years now. Got the brake on there. Got that mounted up. Everything looks nice. I got to change this bolt out. It's not the right one, obviously. I redid the shock. I don't have the rubber piece that goes up inside here though. I gotta figure something out for that, or get one, or something. Yeah, right now I gotta fix these pegs up. This spring's all goofy on this thing. It's all wire tied. I have another lever up here. I gotta put this in a sandblaster and swap some pieces around, and getting there. What do you guys think of them Nerf bars? They're pretty sweet. Yeah, right now I just put a couple bolts in here. Now these pegs are so wore out. You see all the play they have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get them in place. I don't have to fold up anymore, so they're not going to fold anyway. So I'm going to weld them solid and paint them up real quick. And that way they're on there. I see people put these Nerf bars on without the pegs, but the pegs are made to fit in there. These things are weak. They're not really made to stand on. They're just to keep you from getting tires wrapped up in. So yeah, freaking frame's got some chips on it already. Pisses me off. It's getting there. It's getting there. Slowly but surely. Alright, let me get these Nerf bars figured out here and see what's up. So the joys of the TRI-Z foot peg world. If you guys own TRI-Zs, then you know these foot peg mounts will always strip out. The other side still has the original threads. However, I was test fitting these Nerf bars up on this side, and somebody drilled these up, and they were a real weird coarse thread, so I retapped them out even bigger. I'm not even sure what the hell. I'm going to use these new grade 8.8s. I have a little bit longer ones, but yeah, get them on there. Should be pretty good now. Some clean threads in there. Should have enough grab. But the Nerf bar is going to make it nice because they're going to clamp up to the front of the frame, and then the back will a little bit more support anyway. A little bit more. So that's good. Yeah, it took me about freaking half hour to do these damn things. I had to find the right drill bit and everything else. Fun times. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put these on now and see how she goes. Nerf bars are on. After a little dangling, got them going pretty good. Put the fender brackets on there. Right now I'm just putting the tank in. Just got it. The skid, or the guard, tank guard, whatever you call it, rock guard, put on. Got the new PRM grab bar put on. Here's a 250SX kicker. Way better than the TRI-Z kicker. These things are pretty strong. So yeah, she's looking pretty good. I just cleaned up the petcocks here. I gotta run some new fuel on. I got that clear blue, or that bluish tinted fuel on, so you can see it pumping. I don't even know if this thing's gonna, I don't know if fuel pump's gonna be good on here or not. There you go, everything all cleaned up, painted the foot pegs up. Yeah, she's not looking too bad here. I didn't clean that bottom end that great. I'll pressure wash it. Look at all that meat taken off from that chain popping over the years. That top bolt looks good, but the bottom bolt's gone that holds the plastic guard. So that sucks. But yep, coming down to the final parts here. Just have to get the intake tube on, put the wiring harness on, rear fenders. I have these beat up ones for now. I'm gonna order some new mirrors. These will be good. I'll run them. I gotta get the right strap on here. I gotta get the rubber piece that sits under here too. Probably just make something out of inner tube, or we'll figure something out. Yeah, she's not looking too shabby. I'm happy with it. The best part on it's the swing arm my buddy powder coated. The rest I just cleaned up and painted with enamel. Redid that shock too. Put new fluid in it and charged it. Seal's good, so it wasn't leaking, but the fluid was so dirty, it was terrible. But I didn't get any of that on video because I didn't feel like filming. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Hopefully do a first fire up here soon. But okay, I'm gonna get back to work here and get this fuel system on.